watching out for you. This is Storm Team 8.
The snow has now begun here across West Michigan. Currently, we're at 31 inches for the season in Grand Rapids, over 60 in Muskegon, and we're going to add on a little more of that tonight with about 2 to 4 inches in many locations from Muskegon, Grand Rapids over to Lansing and points to the north. You can see just about everybody at least receiving some light snow at the present time. A little bit heavier amount occurring in northwestern Kent County and northwest of Grand Rapids, Hesperia, Shelby, right along US 31, 46 to M37 out there. So roads are becoming quite slick out there. Be aware of that. And it looks as if some heavier amounts, probably moderate snow up around Alpine, the Sparta area. And as we drift to the south, more snow falling right along, you can see from Holland right around M89, M40 to Allegan, Kalamazoo. A little more spotty as we head farther to the south, and you can see that you can follow it basically right down to the Michigan-Indiana state line. A broader view shows that narrow band of snow that's going to slide right through southwest lower Michigan, actually southern lower Michigan, even impacting areas around Detroit. So it's going to be fairly slippery tomorrow morning, but I don't think much is going to happen after, I'd say, mid-morning. Snowfall forecast, we head through the overnight period. You can see most of the snow setting up where we have advisories from Ottawa, Kent, Ionia, Eaton counties and points to the north. You can see the deeper shades of blue up here. That's where we could see 3 to 4 inches worth of snow. I think here in Grand Rapids, probably closer to 2 inches and even less south of town. For instance, Kalamazoo, right down to the Michigan-Indiana border, probably an inch or less of snow as we wake up tomorrow morning. Temperature-wise, hovering right around 27 degrees, give or take a couple degrees here and there. And as we broaden the view, you can see this area of snow continuing to progress through our state. It actually extends all the way back in the western UP. So it's going to be with us during the overnight period. Actually, decent timing on this snow. It's happening most of it overnight, and plus it's not going to impact a weekday commute. Not a lot of wind with it, so it's a quick mover. It's going to be out fairly early tomorrow. It's associated with a little clipper system now located right around the Minneapolis area. 24-hour forecast, and you can see that snow moving through tonight. It may let up a little bit at times, especially south of Grand Rapids. By tomorrow morning, when you wake up to lower Velasquez, you'll have the latest on the radar as the snow starts to pull out. And then you can see by the noon hour, most areas drying out or snow coming to an end. During the afternoon, at most, maybe a few flurries. Otherwise, uneventful. Hopefully a few peaks of the sun. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? Indicates a few breaks possible east of US 131. And as we head through the midnight time frame, I think much of tomorrow night will be dry, along with Sunday. We're looking for a dry end to the weekend and a little bit of sunshine peeking through. It's going to be a cold week ahead. Monday and Tuesday, relatively uneventful. Groundhog's Day may not be. Wednesday, that's when we could see a potential storm impacting West Michigan, and it looks as if, especially south of Grand Rapids, right now that looks like the best chance of occurring. Now the forecast models all over the place with this, but one thing for sure, there is going to be a big storm somewhere in, right around the Ohio River Valley. How far north will it go? We'll see. We'll keep you updated.
That's what we're going to have to watch. Okay, Matt, thank you.